School plates. Small changes to school menus that make a big impact. ProVeg UK's School Plates programme offers menu consultation, recipes and recipe development, school plates awards, caterer training, measurable impact and classroom resources and workshops.
ProVeg UK is a food awareness organisation which is working to transform public health in the UK through the introduction of more plants on menus.
We help schools, we help local authorities, and we help school caterers just to bring more nutritious and healthier options for the children and the planet.
We started working with ProVeg back in 2020. We've had workshops with them. They've come to educate our cooks and our catering assistants. The development chefs within ProVeg are absolutely magnificent.
I have learnt that the environmental impact of food means lots of trees get cut down. Making meat uses up a lot of water and land. If we all change a little bit for one day, then it can make a big difference to the whole world. My favourite planet-friendly meal is plant-based sausages.
I really like carrots because I really like the crunch.
The pizza because it normally has tomatoes in it.
I think we all should take our part in eating less meat and trying to eat more plant-based things.
I think other schools should get plant-based menus because it's yummy and it's also good for them.
Young children really care about our environment. They really care about animals and their world and litter and doing something about it. But also hopefully it will set them on that path forward as they go into secondary school and onwards in their lives. It becomes a pattern, and it isn't just something you do because you're told to do it, but because you care about it enough to do it.
I think the benefits of putting so many plant-based meals within the typical menu for children in schools are huge. It means that children can choose something that feels a bit different, that is more sustainable, is healthy and nutritious.
I care about saving the planet because the planet is where I live.
For the generation before my generation, the generation after my generation, and my generation.
We're saving the earth and we're also saving us because we're on the planet too.
Small changes, big impact.
Small changes really do have a big impact.
We want to see children thrive with healthier and more sustainable options on school menus. This means boosting whole plant foods, including plant proteins, and choosing ingredients that are high in fibre, antioxidants and nutrients, and low in saturated fat. Plant-rich menus can reduce food's environmental impact, improve nutritional quality, be more inclusive, and even save money. Join our School Plates programme today, where small changes make a big impact. School Plates. Small changes to school menus that make a big impact.